Today I'm going to give you the no bullshit guide on how to fix a loose battery on a Milwaukee impact gun or whatever other Milwaukee product that uses an M18 battery. And when you plug up the battery, you shake the gun and it keeps disconnecting the actual power going to the gun because of a loose terminal over here. All you got to do, go to Home Depot, buy some heavy duty felt pads. These preferably, these are for like $4 or $5. And put 2 in between the battery, as you can see right there, and then put 2 in the back. I'm going to open this up in a sec just to show you exactly how it looks like. Okay, so here's what the gun looks like with the felt pads on. You put 2 all the way in the front, and then you put 2 all the way in the back. I find this to be the best method and the best way to get it to stay connected at all times. See, this is the fault here, and in a lot of different tools, you'll have this little prong here loose, the actual battery contacts. All you got to do is just put a little bit of space in between the battery and the actual tool, and you have a non-disconnecting tool. So you don't have to, tie a zip tie around, or you don't have to replace the actual gun itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I couldn't find another guide on actually how to do this. I figured I'd make a video because I know that this works for me. And, look at this. See, there's no disconnection at all.